An aggressive male approaches a patrolling officer parked in their squad car. What happens next turns into a complete nightmare for officers.
All right, so an officer's just parked somewhere on patrol. All right, perfectly fine. Then the dude approaches. It's not the way you want this to go already.
Do you have an issue, sir?
An issue?
Hey, you better back up from me.
You can back the f up. What's your reasonable articulable suspicion of some shit? You better recognize your...
He learned some fancy words at the Quality Learning Center. He just tested them out.
What are you even talking about, dude?
What the fuck you talking about, dude?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
It's not going
If you
well.
want to approach me,
What?
you want to approach me?
You're and what? And
Not
what
a
are you
good
gonna do?
idea.
You had a rumor with us.
Shut the fuck up.
Approach me, argumentative.
Look, try to look
You gonna walk
She's
away?
called for backup.
Shut the fuck
Okay, spit on the ground. What's that supposed to do?
Spitting.
up. What are you gonna fucking do?
I'm not doing anything. I'm standing here. What's your problem, bro? Okay, go inside.
You're dismissed. Get your ass back in.
I'm not dismissed. I could
Captain
actually
Trainwreck.
cite you for walking across the street not on a crosswalk if you want to have an issue.
Antagonizing him a little
You need
bit.
an easement for that. That's an
Ooh,
easement over there.
an
This is
easement.
a setting
You're
here.
done.
An easement's property law, dude. It's not criminal law. He's trying to allege that she's doing illegal stuff because she's not that she's not got an easement, and so. And this articulable suspicion thing is wrong. She's just sitting there. She can sit there until you give her a reason to not sit there.
Hey, no, you're now detained.
Okay,
Stop.
what's your reasonable
You
articulable
just
suspicion?
walked across the street.
Then
not
ticket
in
me.
a pro-
It's a ticket.
pro-
Hey,
No.
whoa. Record
I
this.
need your
Record this.
ID.
Record this. I'm gonna,
I need your ID.
Bullshit. Stroke it. Arrest me.
I do.
Arrest me. Arrest me. Come on. Let's do it.
I do.
Here,
I
come
need your ID. You're not
Come
going
get this
anywhere.
camera. Get this camera.
Stop.
Lawful command ID. Lawful
Stop.
command
Hey,
ID.
excuse me. I'm giving you.
Stop.
Look at her
Give it
fucking
to her.
touching me.
I don't care.
Kiss my ass.
You're not going anywhere.
Body camera on.
Lawful command, failure to... Now these people are en route, and all these other people are in danger because he's going fast, and he's got to get there because she's having an issue with this dude. It's not going well for this guy. And the other thing is this articulable suspicion that he keeps talking about is a higher level. There's different standards. Reasonable suspicion is the lowest. You know, and she wasn't even there. She was she was just patrol. And now she's got reasonable suspicion. Now he's failing to comply with direct orders of providing his ID. He won't do that. So now he's escalating these things using Quality Learning Center words that he doesn't understand.
Sir?
You can arrest me.
I'm telling you.
Arrest me. Arrest me.
Ask him how to
Arrest
spell
me.
learning.
I'm telling you, I need your ID.
What's your reasonable articulable suspicion
I
of a
just
crime
told
that
you.
can...
You approach
You need an easement. You need an easement to do that. Let's do it.
Bro.
Let's do it.
I
No,
need
I want a
easement.
lawsuit. I want a lawsuit.
need your
I want a
ID.
lawsuit. I want a lawsuit.
I need your ID.
You're not gonna get it.
You
You're
just
not gonna
approached
fucking get
aggressive.
it. You're not gonna
You're
get
doing
it. You're
too
not gonna
much,
fucking get it. So you can fuck off. Come and do it.
Madam, I'm okay. He's just...
No. I want the lawsuit.
No.
I want the lawsuit.
Okay. What are you gonna lawsuit over?
Provide your ID.
I'm not gonna give it. I'm
You're
not
gonna
gonna give
listen.
it.
Lawful
And
command
you're
again.
not gonna get it. You need a reasonable articulable suspicion.
You can't just
I
walk
want
in the
that.
middle
for your
Yes, I do.
ID.
Yes, I can. A public easement, you dumb cunt. Those two white lines. You need to have those two white lines to fucking cross, you
You
dumb
can't
fuck.
just walk in the
You
middle of the
can
street.
walk here. There's no obstruction. Hey, can you get and make sure that like you see the cars, that there's no cars coming or anything like that? Because I want to take your ass to fucking court.
Take me to court.
Then fucking do something then.
But I don't
All right,
need
you got
your
you got
ID.
15 minutes. Start recording the time that she's holding me under. You got 15 minutes.
Okay.
He must have just fell out of the dump tree and hit every
I don't
branch.
see a here. So, I don't know who you're talking to. But you're not going to approach my car
I'm gonna approach
aggressive.
you however the f
You're
I
not
want
gonna
to.
break the law.
I can break the law because there's no law that says that there's no.
All right.
Yeah. So you can arrest me because there's no f***ing crime, and it's a not even arrestable offense because it's a ticket offense. So try something.
You're making it into a arrestable offense by not producing your identification.
Exactly.
That's called obstructing.
Exactly.
Come on.
Yes.
Yeah,
Failure to obey a lawful command. Provide your ID.
You got 15 minutes. Count it up. 15 minutes, you guys. 15 minutes. Tell this thing.
Now he's gonna approach another
It's either
one.
gonna let me go, or you guys are gonna arrest me right now.
We
Come
need
on.
mental
She says we're walking in the
institutions
street.
back.
Let's go. Let's
This guy needs to be
fucking go.
evaluated.
Nah, I'm not gonna stand. I'm not gonna stand. No, you can arrest me. You can arrest me. Arrest me. Okay, there it goes, you guys.
Was he trying to be Nick Shirley of the ghetto?
No. It's arrestable. You're arresting
He's
me.
just doing it for
It's arre-
content.
No, it's arresting.
Who you are.
It's arrest. You're not gonna get who I am.
This is just made up. We got a fur missile.
They said because of crossing the street. There's no public easement.
She already
There's
told
no public
you.
easement. No, there's no public easement. It's a
ID.
reasonable article of suspicion. I can talk wherever the I want. Let's get the lawsuit going.
Escalation.
Let's go. Let's go. I'm going in the car. I'm going in the car. You're gonna arrest me. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go to jail. We're going to jail. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, we are. I'm gonna sue the fuck out of you. I'm trying to get
And
into the
you wonder
squad
why I
car.
quit practicing law. Trying to have a conversation with somebody like that about a legal problem is like
I'm trying to get in the squad car.
We don't
I'm
Almost
trying to get.
impossible.
Okay, fine.
Stop.
Okay, well.
you build the rock
Hey,
tower
you guys,
up and
look
then
how
they
she's-
kick it over.
Look at I'm trying to
They
get
don't
in the fucking
understand
front of the car like she said.
You learned a bunch of fancy words and ran out and
Now
saying
you're under arrest. You just kicked me.
I didn't kick you.
If you don't stop, you're gonna go to the fucking ground. Stop.
Bitch has her fucking leg in front of her.
Oh, now I'm okay. Get on
now
the sidewalk
this
or
is
you're going to jail.
obstruction over here.
Get on the sidewalk or
These
you're
other
going to
people
jail.
are obstructing.
You are obstructing. You can record from there.
Obstructing's a physical act.
You can record from over
No,
there
it's
where
not.
it feels safe.
Hey, look at how they have their hands on me.
Not a- You can obstruct by not giving information, and that's not a physical.
Cooperating.
I don't need to cooperate because you guys just fucking did it under a false arrest. Under false arrest.
Stop tensing up.
TikTok law.
I'm not tensing
It's not
up.
working,
I'm not tensing
dude.
up. Don't worry, I got it all on camera. We're gonna see
Things are not getting better for you.
Camera too.
We should check the 8-ball and see how this is gonna work out. It's probably how he he operates day after day. Let me have
Did you
him.
see what she said? She said I hit her.
But she has her
Let's put it on
You
the
calm
record.
it down.
I went like this. I'm going like this. Hey, record it. I'm going like this, you guys. I'm not kicking. I'm just trying to move my foot. I'm trying to move it. Hey, get the recordings. Get the recordings, you guys.
Stop fucking tensing up.
I'm not tensing up. I'm not tensing up.
He's just doing this for
That's why my
content.
wrist is completely inside of you right
I'm
now.
He
not
did all
tensing
of
up.
this just to
I'm
get
not
arrested
tensing up.
so he could put it up
Spread your
somewhere.
fucking feet.
You know what?
I
You're
wouldn't
going to
know
go
how
on
to
the
find
ground
it.
and get searched in a minute.
We're gonna do that now. Get on the ground.
Probably put it on like Facebook.
Don't put your knee on his neck.
Is my knee on his neck? It's right on his back. Thank you. He's right on his
How
back.
many have you
Yeah.
Right on the
because
back.
he's resisting.
Hey, you guys, can you get
I can shake whatever I
She wants to shake her whole to life. She's saying she can do whatever she wants.
No, let it happen. No, for crossing the street. For crossing the street, you guys. For crossing the street.
No, it's not.
For crossing the street. Hey,
more
Mom.
of a menace than anything.
Everybody.
Oh, this
Let me
is
talk.
bigger than crossing the street, sir.
Hey, she's trying to cover it up, you guys.
If I was a prosecutor, I'd have the trial on this one.
Hey, record.
I'd love to play this body cam.
That is a
Bite him? What are you doing?
Oh, he just said I tried to bite him. Hey, you guys can't record it. Yep.
Film it. Watch your head when you get in. Step all the way to your back.
Yeah, kiss my ass.
Get to the back.
You. I'm not getting in the back. I'm not getting in the back. Shut the fuck up.
Those are my.
Yay, close him up. Close him up.
Lawsuit.
Close him up. All right, here's the issue so far is that he keeps talking about articulable suspicion, and that standard is completely wrong of what he's talking about. It's articulable suspicion, reasonable articulable suspicion. It's usually observed, heard, or smelled. Those things lead to reasonable articulable suspicion that a crime has been committed or is being committed. And that can get you past the search warrant requirement. It can get you probable cause. Those kinds of things. The lower level of just like reasonable suspicion is enough to detain. And he was detained. You heard the officer say he was detained. So there's like there's in this one there's 3 levels. She's on patrol and she's observing something, right? So then as he approached in that aggressive manner, and he did approach aggressively, he didn't like wave at her or, you know, have a question or shout across the street. Marched with the camera straight over there. And that's what makes me think he's doing this for like clicks or views or something like that on some social media platform, as he's engaging with the police in a hostile manner. He had no reason to even go over there. And people usually do that if they're guilty of something. They're very hostile. They try to take over the situation. They try to take over the conversation. And they let you know everything they think they know. But it's simple. It's not that hard. It's criminal procedure to the T. So let's see what he gets charged with. Oh, we're gonna have a little.
I don't even really know what she stopped him for, but then
got the
he
camera
kicked
again.
her like right in the leg. So it's like, all right, now you're under arrest, dude. You brought this upon yourself. And there was a report of somebody with a gun, and they ran back to this house. So we pulled up to this house, and it was the same shit, dude.
Oh, so there is some more background to this.
Hey, she's gonna cross
Somebody
the
with a
street.
gun running to
I'm
this
right here.
house.
I'm crossing the street.
Ma'am, cut it out. Cut
Now
it
they're just out here
out.
antagonizing
Let's relocate it.
Yeah, relocate. Cause watch, what? She's the first one to take off. Why
What's,
you the first one
Is
to
this
take off?
graduation from the learning center over there?
Hey, let's just relocate so they can go in their house and calm down.
Yeah, we're just gonna move.
let's get out
We're all
of here,
gonna
yeah.
move so we can talk.
You're gonna really take your time writing up a thing?
Oh my
That's
God.
torture.
You're in custody now, dude. You're not in control.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Nope.
I'm tripping all up in here. I'm standing up, lady, and you're driving stupid. Oh,
I would
two
love to
ladies
have
and
this
gentlemen to
trial.
the courtroom and
God,
jurors.
I
As
hope
you
he
can
would
see,
testify.
I'm wearing Adidas
I would
pants.
love for him to testify
They
at
have
the trial.
only 2 pockets and a
have
waistband setting here.
Because his defense would be criminal.
Nothing in the front, nothing in behind.
That they were brutal.
Officers arrested me for crossing the street. Then, when they illegally detained me, they accused me of hitting
He's
an
just a
officer.
clickbaiter.
This is malice and
No, it's not.
with deprivation of my rights.
Yes.
These officers all came out, arrested me,
You're deprivating
and
your
I'll
own
be
rights,
put
dude.
to the county jail. I'm in behind. They said I was resisting and doing other things, hitting
know
an
what?
officer. But the original charges were what? These officers here need to be taken out from the department and never to be officers again. They need to lose their qualified immunity. They need to lose everything that they have going for them in
God.
this kind of business. Because them doing this to a citizen, they did nothing wrong, and then a cop gets hurt because her feelings were hurt, thinking that she can arrest somebody. She's a loose cannon. She needs to go. She is
Define loose cannon. Let me play this back.
one of these cops that for some reason think that, you know, whatever they say goes. And one of the officers stuck his finger near my anus.
Oh no!
What was that for?
Did
I
you
don't
have
understand
drugs down
why
there?
he would do that. He told me quit tensing up.
to see if you're
He's,
hiding
pinching
contraband.
this mark right here on my elbow. I hope I can get it on camera.
Is that a new
He is
tattoo?
cutting me on purpose and telling me not to tense up. And I want to know exactly what's going to happen with that. Yeah, give me a second. So I want to just show that.
Always
Everything's
a
still body
victim,
cams.
aren't they?
What?
We
Always
still
a
have body
victim.
cams. I'm still recording.
Yeah.
He
I'm
did
gonna
what
get
he
it on
did, and
play
then he
for this.
thinks he's a victim
And
of his own
just so you could see, right there.
stupidity.
Right this way, sir.
The original officer was patrolling the area due to a recent recovery of a stolen vehicle and a battery linked to the home of the suspect. The officer then observed a gray Nissan with an expired license plate pull into the driveway of the home. The driver then got out of the vehicle and began yelling at the officer, spitting on the street and approaching the squad car, which prompted the officer to initiate her body-worn camera and the rest of the events to unfold. The suspect was charged with resisting or interfering with officers, walking on a roadway, and operating a vehicle with an expired registration. He is innocent unless proven guilty.
Oh, he'll never learn. He'll never learn. How old was he? He's had prior contact. You know he has because of how he was talking. He's had prior contact and he was throwing big words. So he's had prior contact with the police, but he didn't learn. He didn't open a book or watch the video and say, I did this wrong. It's my fault. Oh no, I'm a victim here. No, you created the whole situation. That I would also put in there failure to produce ID. That he didn't, But anyway, I like watching these. It's criminal procedure. If you watch enough of them, you can see how it works. There's not very many where the person initiates a contact. Most of them are phone calls or something like that to get the officer to the location. And then once they get to the location, it's almost always the defendant that escalates the whole thing. Almost always. And so these, if I was going to plead out, what would I do? I'm not getting rid of operation with expired registration. Pedestrian, get rid of that, and then he has to plea to resisting an operation. And operation goes on your driver's license, and it probably compounds into a suspension. So I don't know if he has a prior. But anyway, criminal procedure's easy, but it's really misunderstood how it works. It's really just a spider web of things, and it all starts with contact. So you always have to look at contact. How did contact happen? In this case, the lady was patrolling, and she was sitting there because they were talking about a stolen vehicle. So contact started that way. And it was initiated by the defendant. It wasn't initiated by the officer or anything else like that. Because criminal procedures to protect people from the actions of the officer. And in this case, it was completely the opposite. It was the actions of the defendant that engaged with the officer. So, I mean, you're on a different end of the spectrum here than any other way. He was goading them into doing something that he could allege was that, but this is completely opposite. He initiated the contact in this one. So, the purpose of criminal procedure and criminal law is protection, the citizen's protection against interference by the police officer under the Fourth Amendment. So, he waived all that stuff with his initiation.